Hacking is a broad term that can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, hacking refers to the act of gaining unauthorized access to computer systems or networks, often with the intention of exploring, manipulating, or extracting information. There are different types of hackers with diverse motivations and skill sets. Some hackers engage in ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, where they use their skills to identify vulnerabilities and improve the security of systems. They work with organizations to protect their networks from malicious attacks. On the other hand, there are malicious hackers, often referred to as black hat hackers, who exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems for personal gain, malicious intent, or to cause damage. They may engage in activities such as stealing sensitive information, disrupting services, spreading malware, or committing financial fraud. It's important to note that hacking, particularly unauthorized access or malicious activities, is illegal and unethical. Engaging in such activities without proper authorization is a violation of laws and can result in severe consequences. Certainly. Here are a few more details about hacking. 1. Types of hacking. A. Ethical hacking. White hat hacking. Ethical hackers are authorized professionals who use their skills to identify vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, or applications. They work to improve security by finding weaknesses before malicious hackers do, and they help organizations protect themselves against potential threats. B. Malicious hacking. Black hat hacking. Malicious hackers engage in illegal activities with the intent of causing harm, stealing information, or disrupting systems. They exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain, financial fraud, identity theft, or other malicious purposes. C. Hacktivism. Hacktivists are individuals or groups who hack computer systems or networks to promote a political or social cause. Their actions are often intended to raise awareness, protest, or disrupt the operations of organizations or institutions they oppose. D. State-sponsored hacking. Some governments employ hackers to conduct cyber espionage, gather intelligence, or launch cyber attacks against other nations. State-sponsored hacking can have significant political, economic, and security implications. 1. Techniques used in hacking. A. Exploiting vulnerabilities. Hackers often search for weaknesses or vulnerabilities in computer systems or networks. These vulnerabilities can be in software, operating systems, or network configurations. Once identified, hackers exploit these weaknesses to gain unauthorized access or control. B. Social engineering. Social engineering involves manipulating individuals to gain unauthorized access to systems or sensitive information. Hackers may use techniques such as phishing emails, phone calls, or impersonation to deceive people into revealing their passwords, financial details, or other confidential information. C. Malware attacks. Malware, short for malicious software, refers to any software designed to harm or exploit computer systems. Hackers use various types of malware, including viruses, worms, ransomware, and Trojan horses, to gain unauthorized access, steal data, or disrupt systems. 1. Countermeasures and security. To protect against hacking attempts, organizations and individuals can implement several security measures. A. Strong passwords, using complex, unique passwords for different accounts and changing them regularly. B. Security patches, keeping software, operating systems, and applications up to date with the latest security patches. C. Firewalls and antivirus software, installing and maintaining firewalls and reliable antivirus software to detect and block malicious activities. D. Employee education, providing cybersecurity training to employees to raise awareness about potential threats and best practices for maintaining security. E. Penetration testing, conducting regular security audits and penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities and address them proactively. It's important to note that hacking should only be done legally and ethically, with proper authorization and within the boundaries of applicable laws and regulations.